Here, I'm gonna get back.
Stuff, so.
That's so close.
That's something bad.
Why don't you step in and pull from both sides, John? See how this epic deadlift. He's a great deadlift. In case I told you.
It's bending.
Yeah, there it goes.
It's gonna turn into like a.
I'm not good at commentary, so I won't do it. I'm not.
Dan, why don't you show him what's done?
There it goes.
It's getting there. Oh, it's given. It's given. Oh.
No.
It's like a little bit each time. You can see it.
Got a ways to go before you get a ball drop. How to ruin a perfectly good putt. I would have taken the putt too.
Big too, so you can put like 5 pieces of bacon on that.
Yeah.
It's custom rolled now. Oh, look at that puppy.
It's getting there slowly.
This is the harder one.
You want to invite your female friends, John? I tell you about John's chick friends that he met.
Oh yeah.
John's been
Over
at some
at the other.
4 girls' house past week.
See, that's what we need to do, man. Just go around to a whole bunch of people, find out where all the
He's got it.
cool chicks are. Just go hang out with them, have them do everything. Dang, it's going really fast.
I don't know. They don't really seem like the BW3 type people.
Oh snap!
I don't know.
There you go.
They're more coffee house girls.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Boom. Yeah, like a taco.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I don't think it was meant to be bent.
It was actually more difficult than I thought. This was a pretty strong one.